Before I start, I just want to say welcome to my new channel, and this is my first video of making Liberian palm butter, and I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy. Here are the seasonings and meats that I am using in my Liberian palm butter dish. You do not have to use any meats that I have provided here. You can use any kind of meat that you would like. First, you're going to boil your meat. And this is the cow meat. I started off with the cow meat only because the cow meat boils longer than the other meats. So you want to do that first. And so I put the turkey in the pot already. And then we're going to go ahead and cut our chicken feet nails off. And then add the chicken feet to our turkey in the pot. So once the meat is in the pot, we're gonna go ahead and season it up. I'm just using the seasonings that I have listed in the beginning. You can use any seasonings that you prefer. And then we're just gonna go ahead and stir it up. Also, cook to a boil of high heat, number 8. It should take about an hour for the turkey and chicken feet to boil. So once the cow feet is done, we're going to add our cow feet to our turkey and chicken feet and start boiling our chicken. Well, I'm just going to cut up these vegetables. If you want to add pepper to add spice to it, you may. Once all your meat is done, just put it all in one pot. Then we're going to go ahead and put 2 cans of palm butter in one pot. And then you can add your vegetables and add some seasoning to it and set your stove on to medium heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Alright, once it's all done simmering up, we're going to add our meat to our pot. And then we're going to mix it in real good. Make sure you guys add some more seasoning and taste your food. Once you guys are done stirring, make sure you put your pot on low heat. And also you can start on your rice. I use jasmine rice, but you can use any kind of rice you prefer. Here I'm just removing oil from the pot. You don't want to have too much oil in your food. Once your rice is done, you're all done. You can go ahead and serve your plates and dig in.